Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. So today's recipe is 5-minute veg fried rice. It is very easy recipe, very simple to make with some fresh paneer, boiled corn and other veggies. Very delicious. So let's start with it.
Start with the process of boiling the rice. Today we will boil the rice till it is 70% cooked. For the detailed recipe with some tips and tricks for boiling the rice, watch my biryani recipe. If you have some leftover rice, you can use that also. Here is our rice ready. Now let's start with the 5-minute process of making veg fried rice. Take a wok or a pan and add some oil, nearly 2 tablespoons. Keep the pan on high heat and add onions. Here I am using 2 varieties, that is the normal onion and green onion with some green chilies also. Saute it for a few seconds, then add the ginger and garlic paste. You can use chopped ginger and garlic as well, some finely chopped carrot. Saute it for 30 seconds, little bit of more oil. Finely chopped capsicum, nearly 1 capsicum. Some boiled fresh corn. Sauces like green chilli sauce, red chilli sauce with some soy sauce and vinegar. Mix it well with the veggies. Little bit of salt, black pepper. You can also add some sugar to balance the taste. Mix it well with the veggies, then add some paneer. This is fresh paneer. Coat all the veggies with the sauces, then add some boiled rice, nearly 1 cup. Little bit of more soy sauce. Mix it well and your veg fried rice is ready. Adjust your sauces and spices and other things. Your veg fried rice is completely ready. Garnish it with some green onion springs. And our 5-minute veg fried rice with some paneer and corn is ready.
Thanks for watching. It was a very easy recipe. Can be made in 5 minutes. Very tasty, very delicious. Please give it a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Follow us on our